Good afternoon, everybody. This is Thomas Wood with Microquant. Once again, we're going to be taking a look at the live trading room trade of the day. We just closed out the trading room here about 10 minutes ago. Had another really good day. Lots of great trades. We took our time, went a little bit slower today, and it seems like everybody likes that, so we're going to be going a little bit slower here in the future as well. But once again, we were up on the day overall. Many of the traders in the trading room were also up. I just want to highlight a couple of my personal favorite trades from today. These aren't necessarily the most profitable because there were other trades that were more profitable. However, they did work out very nicely in my opinion, just the way that we wanted them to. The first one was a long in soy. We went long where this first blue arrow is. The reason we did that is we saw our MQ regression indicator had shifted to an uptrend on the 30-minute chart, and we were undervalued, and we were looking at a potential support, intraday support level right at around 1476.5. It ended up rallying very nicely from there. You could have taken it, even if you got in a little bit late, at 1478 all the way up to the high of 1492, where we talked about reversing it. So you were taking several $100s out to the upside, and then we talked about shorting at 1492, risking about 2 cents with our stop loss against the resistance from yesterday's highs. It ended up falling back from that level until we hit our gravity line, which is the profit target, and that ended up being about 9 cents to the downside. So another great trade there. So all in all, up almost $1,000 a contract in soy, going up and then back down. The next trade I'll talk about is also considered the trade of the day. This is probably the best one, and one of the reasons we had around 90 ticks out of the euro. The reason we were looking to get long initially was based off of this weekly trend line, and why we now have a bullish opinion of the euro while we're looking for long opportunities as opposed to going short. We're right on a pretty significant support level. We are also right up against a weekly up trend line. So as long as that holds, we have the option and the ability to look for long positions as opposed to looking for short positions. We're also moderately undervalued there. If you drill down intraday, you can see where we went long and why we went long. The first one, the reason we went long was we had a bullish divergence on our MQ momentum where we had lower prices but a higher low indicator, and we went long there all the way up to moderately overvalued, and then we talked about shorting at moderately overvalued right up here because we were in a downtrend and the markets were starting to sell off a bit, and a lot of times the euro and the indexes are slightly correlated. So it ended up working out pretty well. You could have taken another 30 cents or so to the downside, or 30 ticks or so to the downside there. So all in all, a very good day for the euro. We also had some great trades. We were up over $1,000 a contract in RBOB. We were up almost $1,000 a contract in crude oil. Worked out very well. Again, like I said, another up day. We plan on continuing to trade this way, and I look forward to seeing everyone in the trading room tomorrow. So until next time, happy trading.